Every day, millions of people are diving into cybersecurity, trying to learn hacking, but most do it the hard way, drowning in endless tutorials and tools. They're stuck, not making real progress. It's frustrating. Elite hackers have a method, a system. It's about a structured approach to learning and practice. In this video, I'll show you how to train like a real hacker. Techniques and mindsets to move you forward. So grab your thinking caps. We're about to get into it. The first step is crucial, folks. Hacking isn't one monolithic skill, it's a vast ocean of disciplines and techniques. Trying to learn everything at once will overwhelm you. It's like drinking from a fire hose. You'll get discouraged and quit. Pick one area and go deep. Become a specialist first. Focus on what excites you. Alright, once you've picked your area of focus, the next critical step is to equip yourself with the right gear. Forget those flashy clickbait tools. They're mostly scams or malware. Use the tools real ethical hackers use every day. From day one, get your hands dirty with industry-standard tools. This is non-negotiable if you're serious. So what are these real tools? Nmap for network scanning, Burp Suite for web application testing, aircrack-ng for Wi-Fi hacking, Hashcat for password cracking. Using these tools from the start shortens your path to proficiency. Now you've picked your focus, you've got your tools. What's next? Practice. You can't learn hacking by just watching videos. You need hands-on experience. But don't hack random websites. Use safe, legal hacking labs. These platforms are your hacking gym. Alright, so you're focused, using real tools, and practicing in safe labs. Fantastic. You'll encounter tons of information, new commands, error messages, and aha moments. And moments of why isn't this working? Don't rely on memory. Document your journey. Your brain isn't a perfect hard drive. Keep a hacker journal. It can be physical or digital. The habit matters more than the medium. So, you're practicing, you're taking notes. Awesome. Accelerate your learning by watching skilled hackers and copying them. Observe their methods, understand their thought processes, and replicate their actions. Look for ethical hackers on YouTube, Twitch, or GitHub. Engage actively, don't just passively watch. Okay, we're building a solid foundation here. You're focused, tooled up, practicing in labs, journaling, and learning from the pros. Now let's talk about consistency and momentum. To ensure steady progress, set regular, achievable goals. Commit to one small, tangible hacking challenge each week. It could be finding a vulnerability or cracking a hash. The key is that it's specific, measurable, and not overwhelming. And finally, we arrive at step 7. To solidify your understanding, teach what you learn. This is known as the Feynman technique. Explaining a concept forces you to organize your thoughts and identify gaps in your knowledge. Teaching can take many forms. Write a blog post or record a screen capture video, explain a concept to a friend or even a rubber duck. Teaching reveals what you understand and what you don't. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it deeply. Articulating your knowledge cements it in your memory. So there you have it, the 7 steps that real hackers use to master their craft smarter and faster. Let's do a quick recap. First, focus on one specific skill and go deep. Second, use the real professional-grade tools from day one. Third, practice consistently and legally in safe hacking labs. Fourth, keep a detailed hacker journal of your commands, mistakes, and discoveries. Fifth, learn from others by watching experienced hackers and actively copying their techniques. Sixth, challenge yourself with one small, achievable goal every single week. And seventh, solidify your knowledge by teaching what you learn. This isn't just some random list, this is a proven method. Commit to this for just 3 months, seriously, just 90 days, and I guarantee you won't believe how far you've come. You'll be miles ahead of where you are now. Thanks for watching, I'm Linux Guy, and I'll catch you in the next one.